Hey, this is Colin here at Muse Dragon Media. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to set up a coming soon page to get started after a fresh install of WordPress. At this point in the video, we are beginning with a fresh copy of WordPress that's been installed. You may want to go back and review my video on how to secure a new WordPress installation to get us to where we are at this point. Because absolutely I do recommend the first thing you do is get everything set up and secured before you really begin actually trying to build your website. WordFence has been installed, as you can see here, and plus we've done some other hardening tips that you can review in that video. So to get going, we're going to install my favorite page builder, which just really helps speed up the process of building a website in WordPress. So to do that, to get Elementor installed, I'm going to go to plugins, and we're going to add new, and we're going to search for Elementor. And there we go, Elementor Website Builder. As you can see, they've got over 5 million active installations. It is a very popular one because it's good and it's just great. I enjoyed it and really think anyone looking to really spend a lot of time in WordPress should definitely look at investing in Elementor. So we're going to install. Once we get it installed, I'm going to go ahead and activate. And I'm going to hold off on this. And what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and get started by going to Elementor Tools. We're going to go to maintenance mode and we're going to choose coming soon, and we've got to choose a template, which we have not created a template yet. So we're going to go right here where it says enable maintenance mode. You got to set a template. So we're going to go ahead and create one. And we're just going to keep it simple and call it coming soon. And we're going to publish. And now we're going to edit with Elementor. And now we are in the page builder with all these different tools that we can use to build our website. Now, we do want to come over here in the bottom, click on the gear or settings, and the page layout we're going to want to use is a canvas. That'll make more sense later on. We're not going to want any extra content on our page. This is just going to fill the entire web browser page with whatever we create on this template. We're going to click add. We're going to just keep it simple and make one big section. And I like to go to here. We're going to click up here on these multiple dots and we're going to go to height, and we're going to say fit to screen. Let's go ahead and go back and let's just put a heading. We're going to grab heading and we're just going to slide it over here. When you see it highlight, you're ready. We're going to say coming soon. We are working hard. Be patient. And we'll update that. That's good enough for now. And let's go ahead, and I'm going to also in here, for example, we're just going to, since I already know kind of what I want to do, I'm going to go to style. I'm going to go to our background, and I'm going to click right here. And here this allows us to input an image for our background image. We're just going to choose image. I'm going to go to my library where I've already got something set up, and I don't know which one of these. Let's use this one. And I'm going to insert media. Now, as you can see here, we've got this kind of image, and then it's doubling over and starting again. So we want to go over here to where it says repeat. It's on the default. We're going to select no repeat. And also, since we are not repeating, it's not covering the page. So we're going to go to size, and we're going to go to cover. And let's center. Let's go maybe bottom center. There we go. Now we should be good. And since that's kind of not exactly where we want it, we can go back to here. We're going to go to layout. We're going to go to column position. I'm going to put that at the top. There we go. And one of the neat things with Elementor is you can just throw a spacer in. We're going to put a little spacer just to move it down some. And the fun thing is we can go here and we can adjust for mobile. And we can see here on mobile, it's going to throw all this way down. So on mobile, we're going to adjust this space to 0. We'll actually make it about 10. 10 is the minimum. Update that. And let's go back to our heading. I am going to come down here and go to responsive mode. When I click the button, it's going to take us back to desktop size. And I'm not really liking, well, we probably want to take this out. Let's cut this from our heading. That's too much for heading. We'll come to center. Let's center it up. Let's come back and we're going to grab our text editor, and let's just throw this in as regular text. And we're going to Control V that. ... And let's also go to style and let's center that. Let's see what we want to do. Now we may want to go ahead and let's maybe pick a little better color. I don't think that's going to be great. Let's just go 111. And same here. Let's go with secondary. There we go. Let's go back to our background. Let's go to overlay. And we're going to put a little bit of an overlay in here. Color. Let's go with that. And let's back that down a little bit. Usually 0.3 is pretty nice. That's already pretty dark, so let's just go 0.2. 0.2 is about right. I think that should be pretty decent. And that'll work for now. Then we're going to update all that. And now let's go click on this button on the top left. Go to exit dashboard. I'm going to go back to where we were. I'm going to update that just for fun. And let's go back to now, again, Elementor. We're going to go to our tools, back to maintenance mode. And now let's select our coming soon page, save changes. And now what we should be able to do is when we this will not view because I'm logged in, but we're going to log out. And now if we log out, go to our page, and we see we do not have, we should not be seeing that. Okay, that's fun. Well, that's why we do it live here. Let's go back and we're going to log in. And really didn't want to do that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we want to choose coming soon. This is going to return a temporary HTTP 200 code. That means we are working on our website. Now, when we log out, we're going to go to here, and now let's see what happens. My goodness. There we go. Now when we're logged out, anyone comes to this website, this is what they're going to see in their browser. And now you have your coming soon page, and now you can get started working on your website, and this will be what shows while you're working on your website. Of course, we can come back and make this a little nicer, but you get the idea. We use Elementor, which is going to be the page builder we're going to use to create the rest of these lovely pages on our website. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and set up a coming soon page. Go to your maintenance Elementor settings or Elementor tools, and go to maintenance mode, select coming soon, and then you go create that template, and then apply it, and you are ready to roll. Hope this was helpful. We're going to move on to a little bit more advanced steps and getting going on our website here on a few videos in the future. Look forward to seeing you on the web again. If you have any questions or comments, shoot me an email at colin@musedragonmedia.com. Thank you much.